Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important 30 static GK questions asked in various competitive exams. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's move on to the question. What is the name of Iran's currency? Yen, Rial, Poppy or Lira? The answer is option number B, Rial. Who is the head of state administration? Chief Secretary is the person who is responsible for the state administration, and the head of the state is Governor. Who resolved the partition of Bengal? The answer is option number C, Lord Harding. The first bullet train is in India will connect. It is connect between Ahmedabad and Mumbai. Where is the National Museum is located? The answer is Delhi. Who was the father of Russian Revolution? Lenin is the father of Russian Revolution. Seismograph is used to measure blood pressure, flow of current, earthquake or heartbeat. And the answer is option number C, earthquake. In our body, ligament connect between. The answer is bone to bone. When a moving train stops suddenly, a man tends to fall. The answer is option number B, forward. Which mirror is used in headlights of car? Concave, convex, plane or black mirror? The answer is concave. Which of the following is the universal recipient of blood? The universal recipient of the blood is known as AB positive and the universal donor is O. Which among the following is the reason for heart attack? The cholesterol is the one of the major reasons for the heart attacks. Bauxite is an ore of which metal? Aluminium, zinc, copper or iron? The answer is option number A, aluminium. In which state in India Sangai festival celebrated? The Sangai festival is celebrated in the state of Manipur. In which state is the UK project located? The answer is option number A, Gujarat. Which is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats? The answer is option number C, Mahendragiri. Where is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport situated? And the answer is option number D, Mumbai. Where is the capital of Qutbuddin Aibak located? Kannauj, Lahore, Delhi or Amritsar? Lahore is the capital of Qutbuddin Aibak. Where is Koina Dam is project? And the answer is option number A, Maharashtra. With whom is the birth of Swami Vivekananda is related? The Swami Vivekananda birthday is related to National Youth Day. The Akhil tent was founded by which guru? The answer is option number B, Guru Hargobind. Which movement was stopped after the Chauri Chaura? The non-cooperation movement was stopped after the Chauri Chaura incident. In which state is Rani Ki Vav located? The Rani Ki Vav is located in the state of Gujarat. Who is the author of the book Glimpse of World History? And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Baha Atomic Research Center is situated in. And the answer is option number A, Trombay. Columbus discovered America in which year? It was discovered in the year of 1492. What is the capital of Tirupura? Agartala is the capital of Tirupura. When water freezes, its volume increases, decreases, none of these are equal. When water freezes, its volume is increases. Extensive plantation of trees is called as. The answer is option number C, afforestation. In binary fusion and budding are the examples of. And the answer is option number B, sexual reproduction. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and give your valuable feedback in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.